Hello everyone, in this video I will explain you question number 7 of exercise 1.1. So let us read the question first and then we will try solving it. In a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. So they have given you two squares. We have to find out which is a magic square. And they have given the condition for a square to be a magic square as each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. So first let us consider this square, first square. Okay, and we will check the sum of row, column and the diagonals. So first one, first row. You know that these are rows and these are columns and this one will be a diagonal. This one will also be a diagonal. Okay, so first I will consider first row. The sum of row 5 plus minus 1 plus minus 4. Second row minus 5 plus minus 2 plus 7. Third row 0 plus 3 plus minus 3. So let us find out the sum of these rows. 5 plus minus 1. So it is 5 minus 1. You know, plus into minus is minus. So 5 minus 1 is 4. 4. Again plus into minus, it is minus. Then you have to take 4. So it is 0. Minus 5 plus into minus is minus. So minus 5 minus 2 plus 7. So minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7. Right? From the number line, minus 2 means we are going towards left. So 1 and 2 units left. Minus 6, minus 7. So minus 7 plus 7. Minus 7 plus 7, this is equal to 0. Because you know that the additive inverse of 7 is minus 7. So when you are adding a number with its additive inverse, you are going to get 0. So third row, this is again you are adding the additive inverse of 3. Okay, so that will be 0. Okay, so you are getting the sum of the rows as 0. So next let us see first column, second column, third column. Okay, so first column is this one, 5 plus minus 5 plus 0. Next you have minus 1 plus minus 2 plus 3. Next we have minus 4 plus 7 plus minus 3. So let us see the sum of the columns. Again this is adding the additive inverse of the 5 with it. So it is 0. Here minus 1 plus into minus is minus. So minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 minus 2. So minus 1 plus minus 2. That means I am adding a negative integer. So on the number line, I have to move towards the left. So if you don't know this concept, go to my first lecture and then watch this. So minus 1. So first one, second one. That is minus 3. So minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3. Again this is 0. Next minus 4 plus 7. Minus 4 plus 7. What you can do? You can go 7 units rightwards. So that you will get 3. 3 plus minus 3. Again it is 0. So everywhere you are getting 0. From this, don't conclude that this is a magic square. Because you are left with the diagonals also. So I will consider diagonals. So here it is 5. Then you have minus 2. Then you have minus 3. So what is this? 5 plus into minus is minus. Then plus into minus is minus. So 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Next is this diagonal. Okay, this diagonal. So minus 4 plus minus 2 plus 0. First is this diagonal, second is this diagonal. So this gives you minus 4 minus 2, that is minus 6. This is not equal to 0. So the condition fails with this diagonal. They have told that everything should have the same sum, but I am not having the same sum. Okay, so this is not a magic square. Not a magic square. So now let us go to this square. Okay, second square. First we will take the rows. First row. 1 plus minus 10 plus 0. Okay, so here 1 plus minus 10. That means 1 minus 10. What is this 1 minus 10? It should be minus 9. Minus 9. Next is this row. Second row. Second row. So minus 4 plus minus 3 plus minus 2. So we are adding all the negative integers. So take the absolute values 4, 3 and 2. Add it. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. So take the sum which is common to all. That is minus 9. Next is third row. Minus 6 plus 4 plus minus 7. So this gives you, see, these are having same sign. So first I will add that. 6 and 7, 13, which is having minus, plus 4. Minus 13 plus 4. So if this is minus 13, minus 12, minus 11, minus 10, minus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it is minus 9. Okay, so next let us go for the columns. Columns. So first column. First column. So 1 plus minus 4 plus minus 6. These are having same sign. So I will add the absolute values and keep the minus sign as it is. So 6, 4, 10. So it will be minus 10. 1 minus 10. 1 minus 10 is nothing but it is minus 9. Next is second column. Okay. Second column. This one. Minus 10 plus minus 3 plus 4. So these are having same signs. I will add the absolute values. 10 plus 3 is 13. So it is minus 13. Next is 4. Again minus 13 plus 4. See this one. So that is equal to minus 9. Next comes third column. Third column is this one. So it is 0 plus minus 2 plus minus 7. So if you are adding anything to 0, you will get the same number itself. So 2 and 7 it is 9. Taking the sign minus. Minus 9. Next comes diagonals. Next comes diagonals. So this is the first diagonal. 1 plus minus 3 plus minus 7. So 7 and 3, 10, which is having negative sign. 1 minus 10. So 1 minus 10 is minus 9. Second diagonal. This is my another diagonal. Okay. So it is 0 plus minus 3 plus minus 6. So these are having same signs. So adding the absolute values it gives 9. Taking the same sign it gives minus 9. So everywhere you can see minus 9, minus 9, minus 9, minus 9, minus 9, minus 9, minus 9 and minus 9. That means the condition is satisfied. So this is a magic square. Magic